Hello, hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. The annual Peach Festival held in Ruston, Louisiana kicks off today, June 11th. This year marks the 71st annual festival with rodeo, parades, concerts, cooking contests, and more. Today's cookbook highlight is Screen Doors and Sweet Tea by Martha Hall Foose. Our recipe will be peach fried pies. For your ingredients, you will need pre-made pastry dough, frozen peaches, light brown sugar, ground allspice, apple cider vinegar, cornstarch, lemon juice, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, egg, and canola oil. Step 1. In a medium heavy bottom saucepan, combine the peaches, brown sugar, and allspice. Cook and stir over medium heat for 5 minutes or until the sugar is dissolved and the peaches are juicy. Step 2. In a small bowl, combine the vinegar and the cornstarch. Add it to the peaches and cook and stir for 10 minutes or until the mixture is thick and glossy. Step 3. Stir in the lemon juice, then remove from heat. Transfer the mixture to a shallow dish to cool. Step 4. Roll the dough out about 1/8 inch thick on a lightly floured surface. With a sharp knife or a cutter, cut 6-inch circles. Step 5. Beat the egg with 1 teaspoon of water. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of peach filling in the center of each circle. Brush a thin layer of egg wash around the edges of the circles. Fold to form a half moon shape. Step 6. Lightly press out any air pockets. Press the edges with the tines of a fork to seal. Repeat until out of peach filling. Step 7. Heat 1 inch of canola oil in a skillet. Step 8. Gently place the pies in the skillet. Fry to a golden brown, turning once, 2 minutes per side. Step 9. Carefully remove from the oil and let drain briefly on a wire rack positioned over a paper towel-lined baking sheet. Step 10. In a small dish, combine the granulated sugar and cinnamon. Toss the fried pies in the cinnamon sugar, coating as even as possible, and allow to cool for 5 minutes. Step 11. Serve immediately while warm, and enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.